Hey everyone, welcome back to, if you're new here, I'm Hai, and this is your go-to spot for the latest in motorcycles, reviews, and everything you need to know about the world of two wheels. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update on the latest bike releases, reviews, and riding tips. In today's video, we've got something exciting for you, a full breakdown of the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR. The ZX-4RR is an absolute beast, and we'll cover everything from its design and performance to its advanced features and what sets it apart from other bikes in its class. So if you're a Kawasaki fan or just someone looking for a high-performance sport bike, this video is for you. Before diving into the specifics of the 2025 ZX-4RR, let's take a quick trip down memory lane and look at Kawasaki's incredible legacy with the Ninja series. The Ninja brand has been a staple in the sport bike world for decades, delivering high-performance bikes that offer an exhilarating riding experience. From the legendary ZX-6R to the ZX-10R, Kawasaki has consistently pushed the boundaries of performance and design. But now, with the 2025 ZX-4RR, Kawasaki is stepping into a new era. The ZX-4RR promises to deliver more power, agility, and cutting-edge technology, all wrapped up in a sleek, aggressive design. But what exactly makes this bike so special? Let's take a closer look. When it comes to sport bikes, aesthetics are everything. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR doesn't disappoint. Starting with its aggressive front end, the bike sports sharp lines, aerodynamic curves, and the iconic twin headlamp setup that Kawasaki is known for. But there's more to this bike than just looking mean. The bike's bodywork has been sculpted to improve aerodynamics, helping reduce drag and increase stability at higher speeds. Kawasaki has incorporated lightweight materials like aluminum in the frame, which not only keeps the weight down, but also contributes to the overall agility of the ZX-4RR. In terms of color schemes, the 2025 ZX-4RR comes in a variety of vibrant options, from the signature Kawasaki green, which is always a fan favorite, to bold matte finishes that exude sophistication and sportiness. The overall look of the ZX-4RR screams high performance, and that's exactly what it delivers. Now let's talk about the heart of the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR, the engine. Kawasaki has equipped the ZX-4RR with a 399cc inline-4 engine, and if you're wondering whether this engine can pack a punch, the answer is a resounding yes. With a rev-happy, high-revving engine, this bike delivers an impressive 80 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful bikes in its class. What's more, the ZX-4RR features a DOHC double overhead cam engine configuration, which helps maximize power output and efficiency. The bike is designed to thrive at high RPMs, so whether you're tearing up the track or carving through mountain roads, you can expect smooth power delivery and lightning-fast throttle response. For those who love to take their bikes to the limit, the ZX-4R offers a high-revving redline, allowing for a truly exhilarating experience when you're out on the open road. This engine is more than capable of keeping up with its bigger rivals while offering an agile, nimble riding experience that makes it a joy to handle. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR isn't just about looks and raw power, it's a bike that's built for performance. When it comes to handling, the ZX-4RR is top-notch, and Kawasaki has invested heavily in its suspension and chassis design. The bike is equipped with an inverted fork at the front and a fully adjustable rear shock, providing exceptional feedback and control, whether you're on the track or carving through winding roads. But what really sets the ZX-4RR apart is its agility. Unlike larger sport bikes that can sometimes feel cumbersome at lower speeds, the ZX-4RR is incredibly nimble. Thanks to its lightweight frame and compact dimensions, this bike can carve corners with ease. Whether you're entering a sharp turn or pulling off tight maneuvers, the ZX-4RR gives you the confidence to push the limits. In terms of braking, Kawasaki has equipped the ZX-4RR with dual 310mm front disc brakes. paired with a single 220mm rear disc brake. This provides excellent stopping power, especially when combined with the bike's advanced anti-lock braking system, ABS. So whether you're accelerating hard out of a corner or coming into a tight braking zone, you can rely on the ZX-4RR to deliver precise and confident stopping power. When it comes to modern motorcycles, technology is a huge factor in determining how well the bike performs. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR comes packed with state-of-the-art features designed to enhance the riding experience. One of the standout features is its advanced electronics package. The ZX-4RR comes with a fully digital TFT display that provides real-time data, including speed, RPM, fuel consumption, and more. The display can be customized to suit the rider's preferences, and it's designed to be easy to read, even in bright sunlight. Another key feature of the ZX-4RR is its electronic rider aids. The bike comes equipped with multiple riding modes, including sport, road, and rain modes, which adjust the bike's power delivery and throttle response depending on the conditions. Whether you're pushing the bike to its limits on the track or cruising through city streets, the ZX-4RR's rider modes ensure that you get the best possible experience. Kawasaki has also included a traction control system, KTRC, that helps manage rear wheel slip. This system is perfect for maintaining stability in challenging conditions, whether you're accelerating hard out of a corner or riding on wet roads. The system can be adjusted to suit your riding style, so you can choose how much intervention you want, or even turn it off entirely if you're looking for an unfiltered, raw riding experience. While performance is obviously the main focus of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR, that doesn't mean comfort has been sacrificed. The ergonomics of the ZX-4RR have been carefully designed to strike a balance between aggressive sport bike positioning and comfort. The seat is designed to provide good support for long rides without being too hard, and the riding position is slightly more upright compared to some of the more extreme sport bikes out there. This makes it easier to ride the ZX-4RR for extended periods, whether you're on a long road trip or just hitting the back roads for fun. The bike's controls are also well positioned, and the handlebars are designed for a comfortable reach. Riders will appreciate the fact that the ZX-4RR doesn't demand too much effort to maneuver, even during slower speeds or tight turns. So, how does the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR stack up against its competitors in the middleweight sport bike segment? Well, the ZX-4RR faces tough competition from bikes like the Yamaha R3, the Suzuki GSX-250RR, and the KTM RC390R. First, its inline-4 engine is a massive advantage over its competitors, most of which use parallel twin engines. This means the ZX-4RR offers more power and a smoother, more refined engine note. Additionally, Kawasaki's electronics package, including the traction control system and riding modes, is more advanced than many of its competitors in this segment. And while bikes like the KTM RC390 and Yamaha R3 are fun to ride, they don't quite match the power and agility of the ZX-4RR. For riders looking for a sport bike that offers a serious thrill, the ZX-4RR is a standout in its class. Now, let's talk about pricing. While exact pricing for the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR may vary depending on your region and dealership, you can expect it to fall in the range of $8,000 to $9,000, which is competitive for a bike with these features and performance capabilities. As for availability, Kawasaki is expected to start shipping the 2025 ZX-4RR in the spring of 2025, so keep an eye out for the official release in your area. And there you have it, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR in all its glory. From its aggressive design to its powerful engine, advanced technology, and top-notch performance, this bike truly sets a new standard in the middleweight sport bike category. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a new thrill, or a beginner seeking a high-performance bike that's still manageable, the ZX-4RR is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to join the community. We've got plenty more bike reviews, comparisons, and tips coming your way. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe and keep riding.